Okay, so we proceed to question 4. Question 4, it says, find the equation of the tangent line. Find the equation. This is question 4. Sorry, let me indicate it here. Question 4C. Find the equation of the tangent line. 2, we have our f of x here, which is equals to 1, open bracket, 1 plus 12, the square root of x, you close, open bracket. We have our 4 here, minus x squared, you close. At this one, it is at x equals to 9. Okay, so this is the question, guys. If you know how to solve this, you can pause the video and do the calculations. Then at the end, try by all means to compare the answer. Okay, yeah, to my apology, guys, I haven't yet posted the video on how to solve the equation of the line, the equation of the tangent line, the normal, and as well as how to calculate the gradient. But I'll try by all means to come up with the video on that part as well. Okay, so I'll be going slowly by slowly, so that at least each and every one of you guys can understand how to solve this. To those guys who doesn't have an idea how to solve such kind of questions. Okay, so the first part you're supposed to do is to identify the equation, what it wants. The equation says differentiate. Find the equation of the tangent line. So you can only find the equation of the tangent line if you differentiate this. Once you differentiate this, the answer you're going to get, try by all means to substitute where there is x, you put 9. Then that one, it will become your gradient. Then you use now the equation of a line to solve this equation for you, in order for you to come up with the equation of the tangent line, because the equation of the tangent line, the tangent, it is that line which we do draw, trying by all means to touch the given curve at one point. That's the tangent line. The line that we do draw, trying by all means to touch the curve, or let me say, trying by all means to touch the curve at just one given point. So this is what we are going to do. We differentiate this. Remember in the previous question we had here, we said that here it is cross multiplication, because we have brackets, meaning we are multiplying. How do we multiply this? We use the product rule. So the product rule, it says we have our dy dx here is equals to dy dx for the product rule is equals to our u dv over dx plus our v du over dx. So this is the formula we are going to use, guys. You are not supposed to swap them. You are not supposed to swap these u and v. You put your v here, you put your u here. When you put your v here, meaning this is supposed to be negative, and it won't be a product anymore, it will be a quotient. So you have to know the formula. You just have to know these formulas by heart, so that at least you can be saved to saved not to be losing too much marks. Okay, so at least each and every calculation counts. So we proceed. We name this one as in our u, this one as in our v. Okay, so next step. What is our u? What is our u? Our u, we said that it is 1 plus 12 the square root of x. This is our u. What is our dv dx? So we're supposed to differentiate this one with respect to x, which is our v. So when you differentiate, what is the derivative of 4? That's 0. What is the derivative of negative 2 of negative x squared? That's negative 2x. We have this. Okay, plus what is our v? Our v, it is 4 minus x squared. We close. What is our du? Now here, this is where the calculation is supposed to be done. What is our du? So our du here, we're supposed to differentiate this with respect to what? To x. So this is what we do. Okay, so our u here, our u is equals to 1 plus 12 the square root of x. This is our u. So now, how do you get the du dx? So this is how we get the du dx. This one here, it is our constant. This one is our constant, it is 1, which is 0. Plus this one, it is 12 the square root of x, which is 12x raised by 1 over 2. When you rewrite this square, remember in the previous question what I was telling you, how we write this. So this is how we rewrite this one. Okay, so we move. Okay, this is 0, meaning it has now lost the value. So we have 12x raised by 1 over 2. How do you differentiate this one? We are differentiating. So this is the half. So the half multiplied by 12. So what is half times 12? That's 6x raised by. Now the half we subtract minus what? Minus 1. When you subtract half minus 1, that's negative half. Okay. Muri half uchosemo 1. Usasara na negative half because half ni ngono 1 ni equal. This is what we are going to have. Okay, so when you reach this stage, this one is a negative, meaning it's becomes a bar. So it will be 1 over. Now since we have 1 over here, there's a 6 here. So it will be, what is 1 times 6? That's 6. Then in this one, you get your x over 1 this. So meaning this one, it can be, you can rewrite this as in 6 over the square root of x. So meaning you have differentiated this one. Okay, so 6 over the square root of x, this is what we are going to have here. So we're going to have 6 over the square root of x. So when you reach this stage, you can multiply. What is 1 times negative 2x? That's negative 2x. What is positive 12 the square root, positive 12 the square root of x times this one? So we're going to have, when you multiply this one, meaning we're going to have negative 24x squared open bracket 1 over 2. You are lost. So what we do is negative 2 times 12, that's negative 24. What is x times, this one is x times x, that's x squared. But don't forget that this square root here, I've ignored this square root, which is 1 over 2. You get, which is 1 over 2. Hope you have understood. 1 over 2, which is the one I've indicated here, plus we come to this part. What is 6 over the square root of x times this one? So we're going to have 24 over the square root of x minus 6 times this one. We're going to have 6 times x squared. We're going to have 6x squared over the square root of x. Okay, so you can go ahead and try by all means to deduce this equation here. What is our next step? Our next step is supposed to deal with this one here. So it will be negative 2x minus 24x. Now here it is 2. What is 2 times 1 over 2? Meaning 2 and 2 here goes. We're going to remain with 24x. That's the thing. So plus here now when you reach this stage, here it will be 24 over the square root of x minus here, that's 6 squared over the square root of x, 6x squared over the square root of x. Then remember that you can end here because we don't have to go further trying by all means to reduce this. You can end here because the question says find the equation of the tangent line. The interest, it was just to differentiate this. Once you differentiate this, then now where there is x, we'll be placing with 9. Where there is x into this equation, we'll be doing what? Substituting with 9. So here. So what we are finding now when we are substituting with 9, meaning we are trying by all means to find the what? The gradient. This is the gradient that we want to find now. Equals to, so it will be negative 2, where there is x we put 9, we close. Minus 24, where there is x we put what? 9, we close. Plus 24 over the square root of 9, where there is 9x you'll be putting 9, minus 6 open bracket 9, you square it over the square root of 9. Have you seen that now it has become easy and simple to do the calculations. Okay, so now what is we try by all means to go to the next page, okay. So the next page here, this is the next page. So what is negative 2 times 9? That's negative 18. Remember, we have our m, which is our gradient here, is equals to negative 2 times 9, that's negative 18. We have our, what is negative 2 times 9, that's negative 18. What is negative 24? What is negative 24 by 9? Negative 24 by 9, we're going to have negative 216. So we're going to have minus 216. Okay. What is 24? What is the square root of 9? That's 3. 3 into 24. 24 divided by 3. Eish, that's 8. Okay. So plus 8. Plus 8. Have you seen now how simple it has become? Okay. Minus. What is here? You start first by multiplying 9 by 9, which is 9 squared. So 9 squared, that's 81. 81 by 6, you're going to have 486. 486 divide. You divide by the square root of 9, which is 3. You're going to have 162. You're going to have, so here, follow the signs, we had negative 162. So we're going to have minus 162. Okay. So now m is equals to, so now everything here, when you punch on the calculator here, what is 18, so what is negative 18 minus 216 plus 8 minus 162, you're going to have negative 338. Oops, what kind of an equation is it going to be? Negative 388. Let's go back and try by all means to check. Okay, negative 388. This is way too much. Okay, so negative 2x. By this, where we have this, we have this, we have this. Okay, then here 9, which is negative 18 minus, so we have negative 18 minus, always remember to go through your work, minus 9 plus 20, minus 9, we're going to have plus 24 by 3 minus, always remember to go through your work, 162. 338. This was too much. So now when you reach this stage, anyway, when you reach this stage, you have your y minus y1 is equals to m, open bracket, x minus x1. This is the formula for finding equation of the line, finding the equation of the tangent line. This is the formula that we are going to use. So this is the formula we are going to use, trying by all means to calculate the equation of the line. Since we have our x, since we have the gradient here as negative 388, and here on the equation, the only part that we were given, it was 9. So what do? We get the same equation here, which is our f of x is equals to 1 plus 12, the square root of x in bracket, open bracket, that is 4 plus, sorry, not plus but minus, 4 minus x squared. Okay, so we substitute. So this one, the f of x, that's y, equals to, we try by means to find the value of y. What is our x? That our x, it is what? It is 9. So it will be 1 plus 12, the square root of 9, 4 minus the square root of 9. Okay, so it will be y is equals to 1 plus, what is the square root of 9? That's 3. What is 12 by 3? We're going to have 36. We have this part here. Here, what is 9 squared? That's 81. 81 minus 4, we're going to have negative 77. Okay, negative 77. So we're going to have y is equals to, what is 1 plus 36? That's 37. 37 multiplied by negative 77. 37, I was sure under the gradient because it was too big, times negative 77. We're going to have y is equals to negative 2849. This is the value. This is the value of y. Okay, so this is the value of y. So we have 9 comma. Oh, sorry. This is our x. I'm trying by to come up with the coordinates. So our x was 9 comma negative 2849. So you have this one. These are the coordinates. This one is x. This one it is y. So now for you to come up with the equation of the line, we say that the equation of the line we have y minus y1 is equals to m open bracket x minus x1 you close. So now here these are the coordinates that we're having, 9 comma 2849. So our coordinate is 9 comma 2849. These are the coordinates. You have x, you have y. Make them as x1 y1. It's fine. Okay, so this is our equation. Then we have your gradient here as negative 388. We're going to prove this. We are going to prove this. This is our gradient. Okay, so what are we going to do? Y minus, what is our y1? Our y1, it is negative. So it is negative. Is it negative? Yeah, it is negative 2849 you close, equals to m open bracket. What is our x? This one is our x2. Don't know. We don't have. We are using this one x1 y1. What is our y? Our x1. Our x1 it is what? It is 9. You close. Okay. Sorry. And we have forgotten to substitute where there is a gradient. Anyway, we're going to substitute into the second equation. Y. So it is negative times negative 2849. That's positive 2849 equals to our gradient. It is negative what? 388. Open bracket. So I have x minus 9. We have this. We go ahead. We forge ahead. Y plus 2849 equals to negative. What is negative 388 times x? That's negative 388. Oh, sorry. Negative 388 times x. That's negative 388 x. My handwriting is so bad. Anyway, what is negative 388 times negative 9? So negative times negative, positive. What is 388 by 9? We're having 3492. 3492. So when you reach this stage, what do? You try by all means to collect like terms. This is the equation. Y is equals to negative 388 x plus 3492 minus, this one is positive when it comes this side to be minus 2849. So we're going to have y equals to negative 388x. This one now, when it comes to this one, what is 3492 minus 3492 minus 2849? We're having plus 643. So this one becomes our equation of what?